What is up, guys? Welcome back. Today we are doing some 350Z content because I feel like we haven't done enough of this, at least not recently. We have done Civic stuff, we've done the Datsun stuff, we've even done some of this, and for a lot of you guys, I know you guys are waiting on an update on this. I promise it's coming. We've had to wait on some parts. There's been a whole lot of stuff going on. There's been a whole lot of projects going on. You guys see there's another thing added here, more on that later, but for right now, we are going to take care of a couple of things for the 350Z. You guys saw in one of my previous videos that I got a awesome set of Motegi Racing Ambi Battle wheels, 6 of them to be exact. Yes, 6, so that way I don't look like a hack or an amateur. I have all matching wheels for when I go to the track. I have 4 sets for, or 2 sets of 4 for the rear, and the fronts, everything will match, and I'm super pumped about it. Big shout out to my guys over at Wheel Pros and Motegi Racing for helping me out with this. I am beyond ecstatic for it. You have no idea. It's my first ever real set of wheels that I've been able to, you know, get through a sponsorship. So big shout out to you guys. You guys check them out. I'm gonna drop the link right here below at Wheel Pros. They have tons of wheels. It's not just these, they're just Motegis. Check them out, go to their website, let them know I sent you, because that's the purpose of this video. It's for me to be able to show my gratitude, to expose the wheels, to run them, to show you how sick they are, and for you guys to go check them out. So yeah, so that's what we're gonna do today. I have this big stack of tires right here that we are actually gonna grab 4 of these. We're gonna grab 4 of those. Yeah, because I don't think I can fit all 6 in. Right now, my girl has my car, so we're going to be taking her Subaru out there. So yeah, it might be a little bit tight. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to put all the stuff in there. We're going to head down to the tire shop where I can get them on. And then we're going to come back. We're going to hear this thing start up. You guys can see, I haven't even really driven it. It's on a trickle charger over here. But yeah, start it up, put the new wheels on, take it for a test drive. And yeah, so let's go. Whew, hot in here, man. So what's the temperature outside? 100. Of course it is. All right, there, I'm hoping that's enough room. Full house. All right, just pulling up to our spot, A1. I do business with these guys a lot, so I'm gonna go over here, see if they can mount them for me real quick. All right, we out of here. They're fast. Check those. Hell yeah, I can't wait to get these on. All right, just getting home. We're gonna unload these. I gotta open up the garage, and then after that, then I gotta play musical cars. I gotta move the hatch to get my car out. I'm gonna put it right here. So yeah, let's go. as she's currently sitting, it looks good, but it's gonna look a whole lot better. All right, we'll break them all loose first, and then we're gonna swap out this side so we can see how it looks. Really looks like a Darth Vader car now. Oh my god, it looks so good. The wheel fitment is like perfect. You guys can see from this side. Beautiful. I talked to you guys in other videos about me changing the color of this, and I really like this color, but because it is like screwed up, it was Twinkie painted, we are going to change the color, and these wheels actually are going to go with the new color even better than it does on this. So, oh man, that looks so good. Looks super sinister from the front. Let's get this one off so we have a full set. But look at how aggressive that back looks. I love it. And there we have it. Man, from a stormtrooper to Darth Vader. One more walk around this car. God, it looks so good. I've always loved the style of these wheels, so the fact that I actually have them now, I'm pumped on it. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of the wheels. I haven't told you guys what color I'm doing yet, so maybe the black on black isn't for everybody. I mean, I love how this looks, but I'm even more excited about what the color of the car is going to be. All of the side panels, the bumper, everything is all going to be matched, paint matched. Drift car problems. And big shout out to my guy Edgar. I've had these wheels for a long time. He's been letting me borrow them. He actually gave them to me before Winter Jam last year and put tires on them so I could drive. So big shout out to you, Edgar. Thank you so much for letting me use these. I can put new tires on them for you if you're trying to shred or if you want to come grab them. But you know, big shout out to you. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. Like, everybody just chips in to help with everything that I do. And so yeah, big shout out to you, Edgar. Love you, brother. All right, she's all torqued down. Looking good. Let's hop in, take it for a test drive, make sure there's no rubbing. Thing is my seats, and now that I have 6 wheels that match, oh, this car is like perfect for me. All right, we are home. Whew, it's hot. I can't can't get over this fitment, how sinister this car looks with these black wheels. MB battles nonetheless. Man, childhood dream come true. These wheels on a 350Z with a LS power, I mean, that was goals and I've achieved it. Pretty stoked about it. All right, so that is it. That is going to conclude today. It felt really good to be able to like buckle down, do a couple things on the 350Z, start it, drive it. It's been so long since I've done anything with this car, to this car, or anything, because I've been so focused on just other projects, stuff going on. You guys know that I left Sac City, and it's just been like a roller coaster of all these different types of things, and stuff has gotten pushed back. And I know I've seen in the comments you guys talking about Mike's car not being done, but there has been things that I've done on it, and I've finessed a couple things and made it where it's as close to factory as possible, because that is the ultimate goal for this car. And I can't wait till he makes the full video on it and unveils and shows you everything we've done with this. If you guys have followed along with this, you know most of it, but you don't know all of it. And so I'm pretty stoked to be able to have this car done the way I would do a G35 sedan with an LS motor for my brother Mike. So I'm super stoked on that. We are gonna be getting on that, I promise. And yeah, it's just been one thing after another. And before I get any comments about where did the Integra come from, so this is my boy Cam's Integra. I don't know the year, but it is a K-swapped Integra, and now because we have the little hatchback, I think we're kind of, you know, bringing some Honda to the channel. So pretty stoked about this. This car, I don't have anything to do about it mechanically. Actually, the only thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change the color on it. So he bought some wrap. Me and Ashley are gonna wrap this car. It's not gonna be white anymore, but it is gonna be sick. So that's why the car is in the driveway. You guys are following along. You guys know about the Datsun project. We had Jay come over yesterday. He told me pretty much everything that I wanted to hear about the car, what we can do with the car, how to get started on it. And so there's gonna be videos with that coming up too. It's not gonna be sitting in the driveway for much longer. So we are going heavy on these projects. Mike was talking to me about something with the hatch, so we're looking at a turbo for the B series and some aesthetic things, and yeah, we got projects coming up. So if one project seems like it's being pushed aside, it's not. Trust me, it's not. We're just moving stuff around and getting stuff flowing and having everything done that we need to. Plus, there's lots more drift content coming. I know I've told you guys that a lot lately, but now that I have wheels, I really don't have an excuse. I can pretty much bolt the seat back down, take the passenger out because it broke, and then get out to the track. So there's gonna be more drifting content too. So all guys out there that are looking forward to the drifting, I'm stoked about it too. That's my whole reason why I did any of this. Why I started building cars, why I started doing anything, is because of my passion for drifting. And so that's never gonna go away. The stuff is just elevating, getting bigger, better, faster, cleaner. I can't really think of any other adjectives, but yeah. Anyway, so that's what's going on with all of that. And now I'm gonna shut up because you guys apparently think I talk too much. It doesn't matter. Like most of y'all said, who gives a fuck? We're out here on this channel. We're building, we're learning, we're growing, and you know, we're exchanging conversations. So anyway, I hope y'all been well. I hope your family's been well. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Much love. Take care of each other.